In this video, we'll show you how to get the best home and car insurance quotes. Follow these simple steps to save time and money. Step 1. Know what you need. Determine the coverage you need based on your home's value, car's age, and personal requirements. Consider factors like location, driving habits, and special coverage needs. Step 2. Gather information. Make sure you have all the details ready: home insurance, property address, square footage, home age, and valuables. Car insurance, car make, model, VIN, driving history, and coverage preferences. Step 3. Compare providers. Use online comparison sites like the Zebra or Policy Genius, or check individual insurance websites to gather quotes from multiple companies. Step 4. Review quotes carefully. Don't just look at the price. Compare coverage options, deductibles, exclusions, customer reviews. Step 5. Ask about discounts. Inquire about discounts like bundling home and car insurance, safe driving, home safety features. Step 6. Read the fine print. Before finalizing, read the policy details to understand the terms, payment schedule, and how to file claims. Step 7. Choose your provider. Pick the insurer that offers the best value and coverage for your needs. Getting the best insurance quotes is easy when you follow these steps. Be sure to review your coverage regularly to stay protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on saving money and managing your insurance.